Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Back here with the XCMG XE27U, and I got a new toy. It's a mini tilt coupler from the thru company. And we are going to see how it fits on the XCMG XE27U. Now, as you can see, I already took the manual quick coupler off. I'll show you that here in the garage. So there's a manual quick coupler. Here's a new pin to attach the buckets and some of the old hardware. So my question is it going to fit? I think I already know some of the answer. So as we record more, I will let you know. I took the thumb off because I'm going to show you something that we have to take a look at as well. Alright, we're back. I moved the mini tilt coupler onto the floor here and put the thumb on it, just resting on it. So I want to show you something. Here's the initial fit right from the factory. As you can see, we're going to save a few thousandths off this thing to make it work, because it is just too wide to work with a factory thumb. Now, when I bought this from thru, the thumb was never mentioned to see if I actually had one or not. I did test fit this thing, and it fit perfectly without the thumb. But like I said, as you can see, we need to do a little trimming to make this thumb work. The other thing I'm concerned about is if we sight down this, I'm not sure if you can see it, but I believe the center line of the thumb is slightly to the left of the center pivot pin in the mini tilt coupling. I think that might pose a problem with retracting the thumb. I'm not sure if it will bind or not. So I do have a friend who owns a local machine shop, and I'm going to take it over there, and we're going to see if we can set this thing over to the right a little bit and maybe size it to fit a couple shims in there as well. So that's where we're at right out of the box. The fit and finish seems to be pretty good on this little machine. So we're going to see if it's worth it, or if I should just attach it to my stationary landscape bucket and use it on there. The other item of concern is, if you look at the distance from center to center, from here to here, this is greater than the old coupling, which means it's going to sit lower on the machine, and therefore I believe the tips of the thumb may be too short to match up to the bucket teeth. So that's going to be something else we're going to have to look at in a future video. But until now, I'm going to take this to my local buddy at his machine shop and see if we can't get this thing tuned up and get it on the machine, and then see how it functions. So until then, we'll catch you on the next video. See you soon.